Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. Today I've got a left hooker in today. This is a Porsche Panamera Turbo, so top of the range, but unfortunately it doesn't have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto as a standard. So naturally it's coming to us to add that. And this vehicle actually has quite a high spec. It's got Bose and 360 parking cameras. So we've obviously kept all those working with the new system. Let's jump in the car and I'll give you a little show on how it works. We're in the interior. This is what the inside looks like. PCM 3.1, just like your normal Panamera, except I'm just sat in the wrong side. But hey, this is an import, so that is that. Let's close the door. So simply turn on ignition, and this CarPlay system boots up quite quickly. I am connected to the system, but it almost instantly connects. The fibre optic pretty much boots up, which is how this kit links up to the car. When you unlock the car, it starts linking up. So by the time you've hopped in, most of the time it's pretty much already in like there, as you can see. Otherwise it just takes maybe 10-15 seconds or so, which is what most Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connections take to link up. So Apple CarPlay all works on the factory screen. You can use the touch screen like so. Now this is still the factory PCM 3.1 touchscreen, so naturally it's not quite as smooth and fluid as a new capacitive screen on your latest iPhone. However, it is more than usable enough. You just have to be a bit slower when you're dragging things, but you can rotate around it. And if you didn't like the touchscreen, you actually got this rotary control dial that you can use, which is also a very nice feature. So you can use the control dial to navigate around, which is sometimes a bit easier than trying to roll around with a touchscreen. But obviously I'm using these things every single day, and once you get used to it, it's pretty easy to use. Holding this button here will activate Siri, so I can shout, navigate me here, call this person, send a text message, and it will all come up on the screen. Apple CarPlay is aimed at giving you a much nicer way of using your maps, your music, which I use Tidal as you saw, and your phone calls, and it's all at your fingertips while driving. So much nicer system to use than the factory system. But you've probably got Apple CarPlay in other vehicles, which is why you're watching this video. This PCM 3.0 upgrade we do in all sorts of Porsches, so no matter what model you have, get in contact, we can add CarPlay to it one way or another. So this car has a 360 camera system, so I stick it in reverse. This will actually show the 360 camera system, and then as you drive away and put it into drive, front camera will also activate. Go back to reverse, and that's the reverse camera on the screen there. And then when you go back to park, when you go back to drive, it will automatically come off of the screen and go back to your CarPlay. It will normally turn off at 9 miles an hour, I think the Porsche system is set to. So that all still works in the same way. And like I say, we've got the Bose audio system in here. That all still sounds great. This kit works through a fibre optic system, which is how the audio connects up to it. It's a great system. It's what I would recommend if you've got a Porsche and you want to get Apple CarPlay. We can change the radios to an aftermarket doubled-in radio, but personally, this is an option which everything still looks factory. Now you can go back to the car system by pressing car, and you've got all the usual features all still there. And so the way that you actually get into our system is through the TV tuner source, and you just select TV tuner and it will flick into your Apple CarPlay system. And Android Auto, of course, so obviously Apple CarPlay wirelessly and Android Auto. But I don't think there's much more I need to say on it. We can add reverse cameras to your Porsche if it didn't come from factory, so don't worry about that, we can add them too. But that's pretty much it. This is from Abu Dhabi, this Porsche. It's a Panamera Turbo, so top of the line, but still doesn't have Apple CarPlay. Don't worry, we've got you covered at John Kleis. So get in contact with us if you want to get a quote, and we can quote you up on that. Thanks for watching this video, take care and goodbye.